Aquarius, this is your love reading for this week. And let's see what is the card is trying to tell you about your love situation. If it doesn't resonate, just leave the video. Someone needs to hear this today. If it resonates with you, comment claim. Okay, meron tayo ditong King of Cups. Okay, Aquarius, yung first card mo dito is King of Cups. I wanted to see what is the other card suggesting here. We have the Chariot card. And for last card, ang sinasabi dito is the Ace of Swords. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, Aquarius, is you're about to take a decision whether it is final or hindi pa. Kasi sinasabi ng cards dito na gusto mong magkaroon ng improvement yung sitwasyon, pero wala ka pang final decision. Or I feel like you're dealing with two persons. Pwedeng ganon. You're about to take a decision or you're about to choose someone. But I feel like there's so much love in you na hindi mo ina-express before. But when you met this person, something about you has changed already. So, as time goes by, unti-unti mong natututunan yung value ng relationship and kung paano magpahalaga sa ibang tao. Kasi ikaw yung tipo ng tao na nasa isip mo lang lagi, pero hindi ka basta-basta nagtitake ng action. Not because you don't care, or wala kang pakialam sa paligid mo, but because you wanted to study, you wanted to learn something from this person first, and gusto mong makita siya as a person, kung paano siya makitungo, paano siya mag-commit. So, tinitest mo tong tao na to. Nakikita ko dito, Aquarius, yung feeling na meron kang na-discover sa kanya. Now, let's find out what is the card suggesting you. Ano ba itong nalaman mo? Bakit right now, nasa phase ka ng pag-reflect or I just see self-reflection? Nine of Cups. I feel like with the Nine of Cups energy, you wanted to understand kung bakit pinipilit ng tao na to na hindi siya, alam mo yung feeling na hindi siya kamahal-mahal. So, ang nakikita ko dito, Aquarius, you see something with this person na hindi nakikita ng iba. It's just the attitude, kung sino siya bilang tao. Nakikita ko dito yung paghahanga mo sa kanya sobrang taas. Pero wala akong makita or makapa na na-appreciate niya yung sarili niya. And you are the only person na nakapansin nun. With the Ace of Cups and the Emperor card, ramdam niya sa sarili niya on how you acknowledge the connection. It might feel so heavy right now, but I can see here, there's a lot of anxiety around the situation. Kasi one of you might be committed with someone else or parang wala pa talagang light yung situation. So now, you wanted to figure things out kung ano ba yung dapat mong gawin. Kasi hindi kayong basta-bastang tao na nagle-let go. Or you don't give up easily. Hindi ka ganong klase ng tao. And gusto mong maintindihan kung bakit sa dami ng taong nakilala mo, bakit ang hirap niyang kalimutan? Ano ba yung meron sa kanya? Bakit hindi ganon kadali na bitawan yung connection mo sa kanya? Okay, with that being said, I wanted to see what the card is trying to tell me for the next 3 weeks. Ano ba yung next action ng person mo? Okay, so we have the Nine of Wands. Actually, magkakaroon siya dito ng shift or I'm seeing na pag-aaralan niya kung ano yung response niya sa'yo. So, you might be dealing with someone na nonchalant. Or, I can see here the Taurus, Virgo, Earth signs, energy, fire signs is also here, and the Taurus card. Libra is also here. So, any of the zodiac sign, you're dealing with that person, you're dealing with someone na very intuitive, like malakas ang pakiramdam niya, alam niya sa sarili niya na yung connection nyo ay hindi basta-basta at mahirap bitawan. So, it's not really easy and it's not really confident pa si person na i-push yung connection, pero nakikita ko dito na mataas yung chance na mag-commit siya sa'yo. So, what I'm channeling here is the spirit guides want you to know that this connection is not easy, pero wag kang sumuko or wag mo siyang i-give up. Hindi rin madali para sa kanya na i-cut kung ano yung meron kayo or yung nasimulan yung dalawa. Instead, siguro parang meron lang siyang feeling dito na very hesitant siya. Hindi niya alam kung paano niya i-handle yung sobrang strong ng connection yung dalawa. Pero mind to tell you na nandyan siya, nag-observe siya sa'yo. At kahit wala siyang sinasabing kahit na ano, hindi siya nagtitake ng action, wala siyang ginagawa. Nasa isip ka ng tao na to. Actually, the spirits are warning you na kung sakaling hindi ka magre-respond sa kanya or pwedeng lumayo ka, maaaring mapunta ka sa maling tao or maling connection. You are the best fit para sa tao na to. At ikaw lang yung nararapat para sa kanya. Actually, the spirit guides already guided you to be with this person. Kaya lang madaming nangyaring hindi maganda, maraming setbacks na hindi naman nakakatulong sa growth yung dalawa. Kaya nilinis kayo ni universe, inalis kayo sa mga maling tao, maling connection, and now it's the time to manifest the reconciliation. And even if there is no contact, there is no communication right now, this person is holding you in his heart. Nandun ka sa puso niya. Para sa kanya, mahirap bitawan yung nakasanayan nyo o yung nasimulan nyo. Kaya, no matter what this person do, or sinubukan naman niya mag-let go, pero nahihirapan siya na i-push yung ending. So, I'm not seeing this as a sign of ikakat ka ng tao na to. Because I'm seeing that there's a part of you and this person, you wanted to settle down, you wanted to push the connection into the best of all. Parang nakikita ko na meron konting aberya sa umpisa. Pero kapag nagtagal kayo, and yung connection nyo ay nagkaroon ng manifestations, talagang naging okay na siya, I'm seeing here na unti-unti siyang maging maayos. Okay, now let's see what is the guidance for you. Ano ba yung guidance para dito sa love connection mo with this person? Flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Okay, so I'm seeing here na with the card, ikaw yung taong nakakaunawa sa kanya. Ikaw yung tao na nakakaintindi sa side niya na hindi niya pinapakita sa iba. And with that, this person is really thankful. Masaya siya sa connection yung dalawa on how you interact with each other. I'm seeing na ikaw yung nakaka-gets sa totoong pagkatao niya na hindi nakukuha ng ibang tao. Deception is here. This might be may tinatago siya sa'yo. Pwedeng sa umpisa hindi siya ganun ka-transparent. Pero nung na-notice niya on how you are so genuine with your connection, doon niya unti-unti na-realize na kailangan niyang maging transparent sa'yo, maging totoo sa'yo. Otherwise, ikaw yung mawawala. Okay. I also see here with the new love na this person wanted to cut you, pero hindi niya talaga kaya na mawala ka. Ang biggest fear niya is yung makahanap ka ng iba at ipagpalit mo siya. But it's your decision on how you handle these things. Kasi this is only a warning or it might be pinapakita lang sa'yo ni universe na may other ways pa para ma-communicate sa'yo ng universe kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari para sa connection yung dalawa. I also see here na magbabakasakali siya na malaman kung ano pa yung mga pwede niyang malaman sa'yo. So, parehas kayo na magpapakiramdaman. Okay? So, Aquarius, this is what I have for you. But in the end of the day, remember that this is only the energy. So, it's still your decision kung ipupush mo ba yung connection or hindi na lang.